Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for tuning in. Today we are going to be doing an unboxing, a installation video, and at the end a giveaway for a really cool set of Solar Garden LED lights by the brand That Way There. These come in packs of 2 and I have a box that I'm going to be doing an unboxing for and I'm going to show you how to use them. And I also have another one to do a giveaway at the end of the video, so stay tuned for that and let's go ahead and get started.
The solar LED lights are made with really high quality materials. Made from integrated aluminum alloy and crystal glass, this is a beautiful, classy, and great quality decoration for your garden or outdoors. And the solar panel element is made out of an A+ grade polycrystalline. This will transfer about 17% of the sun's energy to the LED light that will shine in your garden. The lights are waterproof, which will protect them from the elements. And not only that, but TCS technology, protective battery, protects lithium battery from high temperatures. This is great because it increases the lifespan of these lights, which in turn makes them into a great investment. This unique design of these LED lights were crafted to shine 3 to 4 times brighter than traditional in-ground disc lights because this covers a wider radius. You can see here that the LED light has 4 little mini LEDs, and these get really bright at night. Just 7 to 9 hours of bright sunlight is enough power to power these solar lights for 5 to 6 hours per night. I really love that these lights have a panel of glass instead of just an open space. I think that makes them look really classy and just have an extra detail that looks really great on them. I also think the top is really nice and smooth where the solar panel is, and I cannot wait to go ahead and get these installed. And installation for these lights were incredibly easy. That Way There was sure to include all of the necessary parts and tools that you needed to go ahead and set up your lights really quickly and really simply at home without any extra tools. In this bag right here, there was the stake that screws into the bottom of the light very easily. That's what drives into the dirt. Also attached was a little baggie that has 2 screws, 2 plastic screw holders, and the pin. The stake twisted into the bottom of the light very easily, and then I went ahead and I finished attaching the screws to the light. And finally, there was an instruction manual. However, installation was very simple and very easy without it.
During the daytime, the sun is going to power the solar panel lights up here up top, but if you would like to turn them on during the day before they automatically turn on at night, there is a little pin and a pinhole right where in between the 2 LEDs, and you can go ahead and put in there and it'll turn the light on.
The installation of these LED solar lights were incredibly easy. As you can see right here, there's a stake that drives into the ground, and with just a gentle tap of my foot, I was able to securely put it into the dirt. And not only that, the light is incredibly sturdy in the ground with no additional tools. The sun powers these LED lights during the day, and at night they come on automatically. Now these are really convenient to have outside of your door, around some steps, or around pathways or in your garden because these lights are really powerful. They help you really illuminate your walkway and help you see what's in front of you. I'm happy to have these because these make me feel just more safe and secure coming to my front door at night when visibility is a little bit harder, especially in those cold, cloudy nights. These LED lights are amazing.
All right, and there we have it. That is our unboxing, our installation, and our review video for these LED garden lights by That Way There. I think these look super classy and I cannot wait to start using these every single day and night by the power of the sun and just have these look amazing in my front yard right next to my front doorstep so that it's illuminated every time I come in at night. That's what I really like about these. And if you guys would like to win a pair for yourself, please subscribe and comment down below why you would like a pair of these That Way There solar LED lights, and we will pick a winner to get your very own free pair. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe and stay tuned for the next video, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you guys.